Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're taking a closer look at an app, but maybe more than that, the strategy behind it. We're talking about the FiveSIM app from E&UAE.
That's right.
Our insights, well, they come from source material called Excerpts from FiveSIM app, Prepaid Account Management. And our mission really is to figure out what this app is, who it's built for, and I think this is the interesting part, what makes it unique or, valuable? What does it tell us?
Yeah, what's the story behind the app?
Exactly. So, okay, let's jump right in. The FiveSIM app. It's a mobile app developed by E&UAE. You probably remember them as Etisalat, right?
Yeah, the previous name.
And it's made specifically for customers who are using a FiveSIM card.
And what strikes me immediately is just how specialized it is right from the start.
Yeah.
It's not trying to be everything to everyone. It's got a laser focus, which kind of sets the stage for thinking about why they do that.
Absolutely. And its main job, its core purpose seems really clear. It's that to give FiveSIM users a convenient way to manage their prepaid accounts.
Prepaid, that's the key word there.
Totally. We're talking the basics, the essentials, like managing your account, checking your balance, seeing how much data you've used, keeping tabs on your plan.
All in one place.
Yeah. And then the ease of topping up, adding credit, recharging your account super easily.
Which needs to be frictionless for prepaid.
Right. And you can also buy special data packs, call packages, basically subscribe to plans directly in the app.
Exclusive ones, I believe.
Exactly. And finding deals, offers, promotions that are just for FiveSIM customers, accessing those specific benefits.
And those exclusive plans you mentioned, that's a really big deal, I think.
How so?
Well, the key thing to grasp is that these specific data and voice bundles, you can only get them if you're a FiveSIM user.
Yeah.
And only through this app.
Ah, okay. So it's a real incentive to use the app itself.
Precisely. It's not just about getting people to download it. It's about creating this sort of contained ecosystem. It could help keep customers loyal, reduce churn maybe.
Makes sense.
And it gives E&UAE direct insight into what these specific users actually want and use. They can tailor things even more precisely down the line. It's smart, leveraging that digital channel.
Yeah, that's a good point. And beyond those exclusives, what else? Well, the interface seems designed to be user-friendly, makes managing your details and services straightforward.
Always important.
And, crucially, language support. It's not just in English, it's available in Hindi, too. That definitely broadens its appeal and caters to a key part of their customer base.
That localization is often underestimated. It's not just a feature. It shows they're thinking about the actual users, their preferences.
Right.
And linking this back to why it matters, especially for prepaid users. Those real-time updates on your usage, your balance, that's not just like nice to have.
No, it's essential, isn't it?
Totally. If you're managing a budget carefully, you need to know exactly where you stand. It prevents those sudden, unexpected service cutoffs.
Yeah, the anxiety factor.
Exactly. It turns potential stress into just seamless management. And the easy payment options for top-ups and plans just remove barriers.
Yes.
Makes life easier.
Okay, so this is where I think it gets really interesting. We need to be super clear on this point. The FiveSIM app is different from the main E&UAE app.
Yes. A very important distinction.
Because the main EN app, that's the big one, right? It covers all their services, postpaid, prepaid, home internet, smart devices, the whole shebang.
It's the comprehensive platform.
But the FiveSIM app, it's a specialized tool exclusively for prepaid customers using that specific FiveSIM card. Understanding that difference is, I think, key to seeing its value.
Definitely.
But it does raise a question for me. For a huge company like E&UAE, why create a separate niche app? Isn't that inefficient? Couldn't they just, build these features into the main app?
That's a great question. And it hits on a bigger strategic challenge lots of large companies grapple with, actually.
Yeah.
I mean, yeah, it might seem counterintuitive to split things up, but there could be some strong reasons. A focused app like FiveSIM might mean, say, leaner code, maybe faster updates, and specific integrations, maybe APIs, that only deal with prepaid stuff. It avoids the complexity, the potential bloat of one giant app trying to do absolutely everything for everyone.
So like a more targeted, maybe nimbler approach?
Could be. Almost like a microservices idea for their digital stuff. Specific needs get specific optimized solutions.
I see, I see. So it's less about just convenience and more about tailoring the whole digital experience for one specific type of user.
Potentially, yes.
But then does that risk confusing people, someone who maybe has multiple Ian services, or does it dilute their main brand message, having these separate apps?
That's definitely the other side of the coin. A valid concern. Managing multiple apps can be tricky, both for the company maintaining them and maybe for users trying to figure out which one to use.
Right.
But often, the decision boils down to optimizing for the most frequent, most critical tasks for a particular group. For a prepaid user, maybe a super streamlined app focused only on their immediate needs balance, top-up data packs, is actually a better experience than navigating a huge app full of irrelevant features.
A trade-off then. Breadth versus depth of experience.
Exactly. It's a strategic choice.
Okay. So let's bring it back. What does all this mean for you, the listener? Maybe you're a FiveSIM user. Maybe you're just interested in how digital services are evolving.
Well, fundamentally, the FiveSIM app comes across as this really targeted, efficient tool. It's built to streamline everything for a very specific group. Prepaid FiveSIM users.
Offering convenience and those exclusive perks.
Yeah, exactly. The things we mentioned, real-time updates, super easy payments, the user-friendliness, they're all there. And the language options, Hindi and English, make it accessible. It feels like a thoughtful approach to a specific customer segment's experience.
It really does showcase how a specialized approach can work well, especially highlighting those exclusive plans as a major draw.
Definitely a hook.
It kind of proves that sometimes, less is more with features, if that less means hyper-focused and really optimized for the job.
In thinking bigger picture, connecting it back to digital strategy, it does raise that interesting question. Why build a niche app? Why not just keep adding to the main platform?
Yeah. What does this choice tell us about where things might be heading?
It's a good question to ponder.
Maybe. Maybe it's about recognizing that for some needs for certain users, a deep, focused solution like the FiveSIM app can actually provide a much richer, more efficient, maybe just more satisfying experience than a one-size-fits-all approach.
Could be. Specialization definitely has value in a crowded digital world.
It highlights that value, for sure. So thinking about this focus strategy, what stands out most to you about this approach to digital service? Something to think about.